Where do stomach ulcers usually appear? Imagine a tiny sore forming inside your stomach or the upper part of your small intestine. That's what a stomach ulcer, also called a peptic ulcer, really is. These ulcers develop when the protective lining of your stomach or duodenum gets damaged. The two main types are gastric ulcers, which happen in the stomach, and duodenal ulcers, which occur in the first part of the small intestine. Gastric ulcers are most often found along the lesser curvature of the stomach. This is the inner, curved edge that faces the spine. This area is particularly vulnerable because it's exposed to high levels of stomach acid and digestive enzymes. When the protective mucus layer that normally shields the stomach lining breaks down, acid can cause damage, leading to an ulcer. These ulcers can be small, about the size of a few millimeters, or larger, up to a centimeter or more. Duodenal ulcers form in the duodenum, which is the first segment of the small intestine just beyond the stomach. They tend to appear in the duodenal bulb, the initial part that receives food from the stomach. These ulcers are often slightly deeper and may cause symptoms like pain that occurs when the stomach is empty or during the night. Both types of ulcers happen because the lining's defenses are compromised. Normally, mucus protects the stomach and duodenum from the harsh effects of acid. When this barrier weakens, acid can seep in and damage the tissue underneath, creating an open sore. In summary, stomach ulcers usually develop along the lesser curvature of the stomach or in the duodenal bulb of the small intestine. These locations are most exposed to stomach acid and digestive enzymes, making them common sites for peptic ulcer disease. If you suspect you have an ulcer, it's important to see a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and treatment. Remember, each person's situation is unique, so personalized medical advice is essential.